Jai Hind friends, welcome to episode number 5 of Desh Bhakti Andolan. Today I'll be speaking to you again about the narcotics siege from Shah Rukh Khan's son Aryan Khan. Friends, both the Congress party and the NCP, which are in part of the ruling coalition in Maharashtra, they are trying to demoralize and demonize the Narcotics Control Bureau just because they arrested the son of Shah Rukh Khan. They are trying to make it appear that Shah Rukh Khan is a Muslim, and that is the reason why the NCB is targeting him. They also, for good measure, mentioned that the BJP guy was seen in the Narcotics Control Bureau office, despite the fact that he was only a witness, and also he was a khabari who gave the primary information to NCB about the drug party which is going to take place aboard the cruise ship. It doesn't matter legally whether a witness is from BJP or Samajwadi Party or any other party for that matter. So the court is 100% not going to take cognizance of the evidence. But what is interesting is a communal twist which both the Congress and the NCP are trying to give to this incident. Friends, I would like to tell you the Samir Wankhede, the person in charge of NCB in Mumbai, he himself is a Muslim. And a very honest Muslim, a very upright and incorruptible official of the Narcotics Control Bureau. So the allegation that it is a Hindu versus Muslim fight, and Samir Wankhede being a Hindu and he was close to BJP, and the BJP government in Delhi is also this one kind of anti-Muslim, all this kind of nonsense which was going on. The fact remains that Samir Wankhede is a very honest Muslim officer. He is so devout. Every morning he prays at the qabr of his mother near the place where he stays in Mumbai, and only then takes her blessings, only then he starts a work. With such a background, it is shocking as to how the Congress and the NCP are trying to criminalize the entire incident. Friends, they have no clue, or rather they know the logistics of the operation, still they prefer to keep quiet. The fact that the game plan of the organizers, the event managers of this rave party was that the cruise ship will leave the coast of Mumbai and then it will enter the international waters, which is about 200 kilometers from the coast. And on international waters, Indian laws don't have any validity whatsoever. So the game plan was that they will enter international waters, they will smoke charas, ganja, MD, and you name it, and what all things they had planned for that night kind of thing. But Samir Wankhede and his team, they did a very smart thing. Instead of chasing the cruise ship, they themselves posed as passengers, and then they entered the ship as if they are also kind of party goers. And before the cruise ship could enter international waters, they got into the act and they raided and they seized all these drugs, high-powered drugs, and also arrested the people who were over there, who were consuming drugs or were in possession of drugs. This is as simple as that. But the way the Congress and the NCP are trying to distort the whole thing and make it a communal affair, it is most disgraceful, most disgusting. I mentioned already that why the Congress party is against the NCP, because Priyanka Gandhi is a very, very close personal friend of Shah Rukh Khan. So much so that whenever she comes to Mumbai, she stays in this huge bungalow Mannat at Bandra bandstand. So that explains the Congress hatred for the NCP. And as far as Nawab Malik is concerned, his own son-in-law, Samir Khan, was arrested by the NCB, the very NCB, and for as long as 8 months he was in jail, he was not getting bail. Only now he is out on bail. So naturally, Nawab Malik, who is the chief spokesperson of the NCP, he has vested interest in trying to demonize the NCP. Friends, each and every one of us should stand by Samir Wankhede and his entire team and ensure that they are able to carry the investigation to its logical conclusions, find out the mastermind behind the whole thing, because it is not a question of an Aryan Khan or some Damecha or some other lady. The main thing is Mumbai has become the hotbed of narcotics trade over here, and many of the Maulanas themselves, like Maulana Ashraf Moin Mia, he is in the forefront of campaigning against drugs in Bhindi Bazaar and then other areas. Before our children, our grandchildren, before anybody else, they become victims of this narcotics mafia, We should ensure and strengthen the hands of the NCB and make sure that Mumbai is free of drugs. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.